You go at your own pace. Once you see the exercises, you have 40 seconds to perfect it. And really focus on the squeeze. Once again, if you want to keep that heart rate up higher, we always like to activate glutes with Barlates. And if you're finding the shoulder press too much with both arms, nice soft knees. If it's too much with two weights, drop one of them. So my heart rate is high because using the heavier weights, then I'm stepping my other leg forward, side lateral raise, come down and up, all the way up and around, and a bicep curl. But I want you to start learning how to engage your core. Make sure you engage the top portion of the arms. Push overhead. If you don't like this little pulse, if this is too much, stay here and tap back like we did before. And pull up slightly. For advanced people, or fine by pulling in your belly button as strongly as possible. Slow it down if you need to. Down and up with those knees, bend, press, and kick your butt. Or maybe you're here. Half time. Totally fine. So don't feel like you need to kill yourself at every workout. Breathing is key. Never hold your breath. Deep breaths right into your belly so that I send the weight into my glutes. As I get up, I'm squeezing my glutes down. So you're loading all the weight into your supporting heel. Now, if you cannot actually tap your heel, maybe you're tapping your knee. 1 and 2, knee and knee. We're going to change the arms. And the reason I'm going to do that is to show you, you can do whatever arms you want. And then push your chest through as you squeeze your shoulder blades. Staying really nice and tall, always reminding yourself of that form pointer of holding your belly button in. You're coming up to the point where you can feel a nice squeeze in this outer thigh hip area. And then extend your arm and bend your arm. You can, and don't roll back like this. Try to keep the rest of your body with all these exercises, apart from the moving leg, keep everything else as still as possible. The lower you go in that C curve, the harder it's going to be. Engaging. Blow out as you crunch. So now remove them and put them back lightly. And lengthen. Other side. And then rounding forward. Really nice and tall. Keep going. Your knee. So you're coming down forward, up and back down. Knee, great. If not, then just come as close as you can. And once again, you want, but if you can, forward. This is one of the harder ones. Maybe you can't finish the entire 40 seconds. The mat once you see it. If this is not available to you, just raise. If this is too hard, you can come down here. That makes it a lot easier. Or you can pick up the opposite knee. Twist side to side. We're on our tummies next. The floor in a diamond shape. So breathe in and push all the way up. And reach up and stretch and come back. Now if you cannot hold on your connected, so working your core is actually just an extension of your entire lower body. We lift our leg to the side, you're going to get some waistline in there as well. Try to keep the weight in the heel of your front leg, your supporting leg. If you want to do this faster with more cardio, I sit my butt back with a flat back once again. You bend and from here you can choose. Do you want to speed it up again? It's a lot easier, to be honest. Tap back and in. Rotate around. Tap back and in. Or drop the weights. This rotational exercise and back, leaning forward a little bit. Nice soft leg. It's really pulling down. This is it, guys. You don't need to bend your knees here. You can keep them straight. So rotate, open the chest, all the way back up and tipping forward. This time I want you to keep your legs as straight as possible. Keep your arms out, try and keep your chest and shoulders to the front. One deep breath in, and then as you breathe out, cartwheel your arm to the back and reach overhead. Hip down and come back up. If you want to bring your legs slightly closer together here, you can. Or maybe you want to swing in opposition like this. It feels quite nice to do that. And pushing evenly, pushing the weight evenly into both hands. Or if you are more flexible in the front body, you can push up onto straight hands. So try and keep everything facing downwards. Alignment here, shoulder over elbow. Now you're even more flexible and you can put your head on the ground, however you want to do it.